In this video, we listed the 5 best MIG welders on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HZXVOGEN HVM140 machine. The HZXVOGEN HVM140 is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine designed for MIG, TIG, and MMA welding, ideal for various metal types including iron, stainless steel, and copper. Weighing only 3.5 kilograms and featuring compact dimensions of 29 by 16 by 15 centimeters, this portable welder is user-friendly thanks to its single-knob intelligent control system that automatically adjusts wire feeding speed and current. The machine utilizes advanced IGBT inverter technology for excellent arc stability and integrates safety features such as overheating and overcurrent protection, extending its lifespan. Coupled with a CE certification and a 1-year warranty, the HWM140 is suitable for both beginners and experienced welders, making it perfect for tasks ranging from DIY projects to professional repairs in diverse settings. The package includes necessary accessories, ensuring that users have everything they need to start their welding projects right away. Number 2. ANDELI MIG 250. The ANDELI MIG 250 is a versatile, portable welding machine designed for various applications such as plants, construction sites, and ships. It features a 3-in-1 functionality, supporting gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The machine is powered by IGBT inverter technology, providing up to 120 amp output current, enhanced duty cycle, and efficiency. With automatic voltage and wire feed speed adjustments based on plate thickness, the MIG 250 simplifies welding processes. It has a split torch designed for easy maintenance and smoother wire feeding. Weighing only 5 kilograms and with dimensions of 440 by 265 by 325 millimeters, this CE-certified welder operates on dual voltage, 110-220V, and has a rated duty cycle of 60%. It comes with a 30-day return policy, a 2-year warranty, and free replacement parts, making it a reliable choice for welders. Number 3. HZXVOGEN MIG 250A. The HZXVOGEN MIG 250DP is a versatile and portable welding machine designed for MIG, ARC, and TIG welding applications, making it suitable for various materials including carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. Featuring advanced IGBT inverter technology and pulse function, this machine optimizes performance while minimizing distortion on thin metals, accommodating wire sizes of 0.6, 0.8, and 1 mm. It also incorporates synergy control technology, allowing users to easily adjust current and voltage settings for different welding modes, facilitating operation for both beginners and experienced welders. The MIG 250DP is CE certified and includes a full digital display for monitoring settings, with a robust build measuring 425 by 183 by 290 mm and weighing 15 kilograms. Users can benefit from a 1-year warranty and comprehensive customer support. Included with the welder are essential accessories such as a MIG torch, electrode holder, earth clamp, and gas tube, ensuring users are well equipped to start their welding projects immediately. Number 4. HZXVOGEN 200A machine. The HZXVOGEN MIG 250 is a versatile MIG welder designed for a variety of welding applications, including MIG gas, MIG without gas, lift TIG, and MMA, stick welding. It features an IGBT inverter technology, allowing for an adjustable wire feeding speed between 2 to 14 m/minute and an output current range of 10 to 200 A, suitable for welding materials such as aluminum, iron, stainless steel, and carbon steel. The welder is compact, measuring 450 by 200 by 300 millimeters and weighing 12.5 kilograms, making it easy to transport and store. It includes essential accessories like an MB15 MIG gun, electrode holder, and a gas tube. The MIG 250 supports dual functions, 2T manual and 4T semi-auto, to accommodate different welding tasks. Additionally, it is CE certified and comes with a 12-month warranty, ensuring quality service and support for users. With pre-programmed settings for different wire diameters and gas combinations, this welder simplifies the welding process while delivering optimal performance. Number 5. HITBOX HBM 200. The HITBOX HBM 200 is a versatile 3-in-1 semi-automatic welding machine designed for MIG, MMA, ARC, and TIG lift applications, making it suitable for various welding needs at home and in professional settings. With compact dimensions of 33.5 by 22 by 22.5 centimeters and a lightweight design of just 6.0 kilograms, it offers portability without sacrificing performance. This inverter welder features a user-friendly intelligent one-button control system with a digital display for easy operation and precise control over welding current and speed. Built-in safety features protect against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overtemperature, ensuring reliable operation. It includes a comprehensive set of accessories, allowing users to perform gasless ion welding efficiently. The machine is engineered for durability, with a cooling fan system to extend its lifespan, and it comes with a 1-year warranty, promising customer satisfaction and support.